Welcome to the engineering summary update for the sprint ending on May 11th, 2021. So this sprint, we focused mainly on multi-tenancy. We worked on branded algorithm emails. We worked on internationalization. The application is now in Spanish, or at least a fair portion of it, which included a lot of stories for that. We wanted to work on custom color themes by community, and we did not get around to this. However, we have a full customer setup currently. We also worked on progressive web app support for new and existing customers and an integration with phrase.com to allow easier translation. We also worked on a client dashboard as part of our redesign, and we fixed various bugs in terms of invoicing payments. We wanted to work on plot and language history, but we realized that working on multi-tenancy was a much more important priority. So next sprint, same thing. We are going to work on branding tasks emails. We want to finish converting the application to Spanish so that we can onboard our new customers fully. We want to ensure that embedded task URL are multi-tenant. And we want to have the ability to disable features based on community because there are functions in our application that are specifically for one customer and not all customers. And we want to finish to set up phrase.com and use its awesome feature of in-context editor. For the redesign, we will be working on the user details screen. In terms of engineering, we will work or try to work on reducing vulnerabilities, known vulnerabilities to no more than 30 and increase the code coverage to 80%. For invoicing payments, we are actually going to import new transaction information, and we need to research the ability to alter balances and past receipts when backdating transactions. Also, we actually want to improve UX on the transaction screen. So this sprint, we had 28 merge requests, which is within reason. Our goal was about 22 merge requests. We had 62 stories in the sprint. We only completed 38, and we had 24 left open. Our code coverage actually did increase, but only by 2%. So Project Panther, we have seen heavy use on the listening module, which caused usability issues. And so we will be working on those issues next sprint. Also, Project Panther and Quashi is really using the payment module. We are very focused on internationalization and multi-tenancy this sprint, and we are currently on track to start onboarding our new clients before the end of the sprint. So in terms of hiring, we have 2 candidates in our coding evaluation, 2 candidates in the technical evaluation, and 1 candidate awaiting the CEO interview. In terms of actual versus goal, our code coverage we were supposed to have 80% of code coverage, and we had 77, but we seem to be starting to close the gap there. In terms of merge requests, we are well within reason. And in terms of security and non-vulnerabilities, we basically decreased the number of vulnerabilities by 5, which it was at 45 known vulnerabilities last sprint. And this sprint, we are now at 40 known vulnerabilities. Thank you very much.